Hello everybody. Drones have rapidly gained popularity in recent years, and for good reason. These unmanned aerial vehicles are equipped with cameras and other advanced technologies, making them useful for a wide range of applications, from aerial photography and videography to search and rescue operations, surveying, and more. While high-end drones can cost thousands of dollars, budget drones offer an affordable alternative for those who are just starting out or on a tight budget. Despite their lower price point, budget drones still offer impressive features and capabilities, making them a great option for anyone interested in exploring the world of drones.
Our top 1.
The DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo is an ultralight and foldable drone that offers impressive capabilities in a compact and portable package. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and a 4K camera, this drone allows you to capture stunning aerial footage and photos with ease. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 2 is its weight, which comes in at just under 250 grams. This makes it one of the lightest drones on the market, making it easy to carry with you on the go. Despite its small size, the Mini 2 boasts an impressive flight time of up to 31 minutes, allowing you to capture plenty of footage before needing to recharge. The 3-axis gimbal provides excellent stability and smooth footage, even in windy conditions. With a 4K camera that can shoot up to 60 frames per second, the Mini 2 captures stunning, high-quality footage that is sure to impress. The camera also features HDR, allowing you to capture more detail and color in your shots. The Fly More Combo package includes additional accessories, such as 2 extra batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying case, making it easy to transport and charge your drone on the go. Overall, the DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a portable, high-quality drone at an affordable price point.
Our top 2.
The DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI RC, is a lightweight and foldable camera drone that offers an impressive set of features. Equipped with a 4K/60 FPS video camera and a 48MP photo camera, this drone allows you to capture stunning aerial footage and photos with ease. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, the Mini 3 Pro is one of the lightest drones on the market, making it easy to carry with you on the go. Despite its small size, the drone boasts a flight time of up to 34 minutes, thanks to its powerful battery. The camera on the Mini 3 Pro is capable of capturing 4K video at 60 frames per second, delivering smooth and detailed footage. It also features a 48MP photo camera, allowing you to capture high-resolution images from the air. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, which provides smooth and stable footage, even in windy conditions. The Mini 3 Pro is also equipped with a number of advanced features, such as obstacle avoidance sensors, which help prevent collisions with objects in its path. It also features intelligent tracking, which allows the drone to automatically follow and capture footage of a moving subject. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is easy to use, even for beginners, thanks to its intuitive controls and simple setup process. Overall, this drone is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, lightweight drone with advanced features and a long flight time.
Our top 3.
The DJI Mini 2C is a lightweight and foldable mini camera drone that packs a punch in terms of features and performance. Weighing just under 250 grams, the Mini 2C is easy to carry with you on the go, making it a great option for capturing stunning aerial footage wherever you go. Despite its small size, the Mini 2C features a 2.7K camera that can capture high-quality video footage at 30 frames per second. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, providing smooth and stable footage even in windy conditions. Additionally, the Mini 2C's camera also captures 12-megapixel photos with ease, giving you plenty of flexibility when it comes to capturing stunning aerial shots. The Mini 2C is also equipped with a range of advanced features, including GPS positioning and automatic return to home, making it easy to fly and navigate even in challenging environments. It also includes quick-shot modes, which allow you to easily capture stunning footage with pre-programmed flight patterns, as well as a variety of shooting modes, such as panorama and time-lapse. Overall, the DJI Mini 2C is an excellent option for anyone looking for a lightweight and portable camera drone that still offers impressive features and performance. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started with drone photography, or a more experienced user looking for a smaller, more convenient option, the DJI Mini 2SE is definitely worth considering.
Our top 4.
The DJI Air 2S is a powerful drone quadcopter with a 3-axis gimbal camera, designed to capture high-quality aerial footage and photos. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and capable of recording 5.4K video, the Air 2S is a professional-grade drone that delivers stunning results. One of the key features of the Air 2S is its 3-axis gimbal camera, which provides smooth and stable footage even in challenging conditions. The camera is capable of capturing 5.4K video at up to 30 frames per second, delivering incredible detail and clarity. It also features a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which allows it to capture more light and detail, even in low-light conditions. The Air 2S is also equipped with 4 directions of obstacle sensing, allowing it to detect and avoid obstacles in its path. This makes it easier to fly in challenging environments and reduces the risk of collisions. Other features of the Air 2S include a range of intelligent shooting modes, including active track, quick shots, and hyperlapse, which allow you to capture stunning footage with ease. It also features a range of safety features, such as automatic return to home, which helps ensure that the drone stays safe and secure at all times. Overall, the DJI Air 2S is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful and professional-grade drone that can capture stunning aerial footage and photos. With its advanced features and capabilities, it is well suited for both amateur and professional photographers and videographers.
Our top 5.
The DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo is a top-of-the-line drone quadcopter that offers an impressive set of features and capabilities. Equipped with a 48MP camera, capable of capturing 4K video and 8K hyperlapse footage, this drone is ideal for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage and photos. The Mavic Air 2 features a half CMOS sensor and a 3-axis gimbal, which provides smooth and stable footage, even in windy conditions. It also boasts a flight time of up to 34 minutes, thanks to its powerful battery, which allows you to capture more footage and cover more ground. One of the standout features of the Mavic Air 2 is its Active Track 3.0 technology, which allows the drone to automatically follow and capture footage of a moving subject. It also features OcuSync 2.0 technology, which provides a stable and reliable connection between the drone and the remote controller, even at longer distances. In addition to its advanced camera and flight capabilities, the Mavic Air 2 also comes with a range of accessories, including a shoulder bag, ND filters, and extra batteries. This makes it easier to carry and transport the drone, as well as extending the amount of time you can fly. Overall, the DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo is an excellent option for anyone looking for a high-performance drone that can capture stunning aerial footage and photos. With its advanced features and capabilities, it is well suited for both amateur and professional photographers and videographers.